Alright, fellow AMC holders, here's a screenshot from a new website called Stock Grid that shows the dark pool data on AMC. So a lot of fluctuation there in the volume of the dark pool trading, and we can see here the volume of the dark pool is like what, 151 million, average volume is 321 million, but the positions overall look to be about 398 million and about $21 billion of total money. That's a lot, right? So the total volume, or the total shares out there for AMC is confirmed around roughly 513 million, but retail owns 80%, and yet here we have potentially 398, close to 400 million shares on the dark pools being traded out of public view. So that could be one trick the hedge funds use. Is not financial advice, is that sometimes the buy orders will be routed through the dark pools to not affect the stock price. And then the sell orders from institutions, perhaps some shorts you want to cover, is also through the dark pools as to not affect the price. So this is pretty huge if it's true, because it means almost the entire amount of the float. They got roughly 400 million versus 513 outstanding actual shares. That's close to 100%, or roughly in the ballpark of 100% of the float, or within 80% of the float being shorted on the dark pools, either borrowed from ETFs or shares borrowed from accounts, or perhaps even just somehow maybe some sort of fake shares created. So it's pretty amazing that this has been allowed to go on. If it's true, and it's not financial advice, but if a lot of the apes hold, even if institutions were to sell their shares that are long on AMC, retail could continue to buy, or momentum traders could continue to buy, and the hedge funds are on the hook to pay that enormous float back, and we have the stranglehold. All right, guys, until next time.